All right, guys, today we're doing the final punch list items here. Taking plastic covers off the appliances. Same way we got to take it off the dishwasher here as well. So on your punch list, you got to remember to remove these things. Sometimes we just forget about them. So just remember, when you're flipping the house, you want to get those plastic. All right, guys, we're finishing up a flip here, Shreveport. I got my partner here, Brandon. A couple contractors here, Eddie, Jeremiah, and his family as well. So we're finishing up another property. Came out great. The guys did a great job. Pretty much on schedule. I think we got an excellent product here, you know. So here we're gonna do a little punch list thing, finish up a few items, and we're gonna get it back on the market here, and we're gonna get it out there to the public and let it do what it do. But at the end of the day, guys, when it comes to flipping houses, it's not for everyone. If you don't have a pain tolerance, it's not for you. If you can't deal with people, it's not for you. If you can't imagine spending a couple dollars to make a couple dollars, it's not for you at the end of the day. But if you're gonna go out there and tackle things of this nature, number one, you gotta know your numbers and you gotta know your market. And even if you miss, you still hit. So don't go out there and play Russian roulette with your money. You gotta make sure that you're on task with everything you do. Again, like I said, we're happy with our product here. I think we got a beautiful house. I give it a 10 out of 10. And at the end of the day, somebody's gonna be happy. So, ain't that right, Brandon?
That's right. That's right.
You got anything to add here to end this thing off?
Oh, good. It's been a great experience.
That's it. That's a man of many words right there. That's a man of many words. But at the end of the day, guys, we're going into 2024. So make yourself a goal of, if it's real estate, just make yourself a goal. I mean, you want to just buy one house, use as a rental, do that, test yourself out. You want to buy 20 houses, make sure you're working with the right people, contractors, plumbers, electricians, all those types of people to make those dreams come true. Because if you're willing to be successful, you got to be willing to go out there and make those hard decisions every single day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, do all those good things, aka share as well. So hey, this is Poppa signing out. Another house in the book. Have a good day. Bye bye.